called RC series, RC20, RC11, and this series will be expensive. And this one is for police on duty, you know, or for industry company. They will fix this one on the wall, and you can put it charging. And when you are police and when you are going on duty, just take it off. Yeah, and when you back, just put it back. It's charging. It is for charging. So it is widely used among policemen or some industry users for examining some devices in the factory. They are prefer to buy this one. And this one is our designs. It is magnetic charging.
Can you charge?
Yeah, it is charging.
Oh.
Yeah. So
Такая штучка, зарядка на магнитике цепляется к нему. Класс.
you see the new one.
Тут на этом заряжается.
This is the old UC30, and here is the new one.
Новая моделька.
The difference is the color of the ring and the material of the button. This one is metal, and we make some improvement of this one, and the output may be a little brighter than this one. You need to remove the how to call it? Here.
Забыл брать вот эту штучку транспортировочную. Смотрим, как он светит.
Press for 1 second. We'll turn it on.
Нажимаем. Переключается. О, кстати.
Yeah, single press will change the brightness level. You can try. And for some battery, we will have a holster. And ring for changing, and also
Класс. Быстренько нажимаешь, быстренько переключается. Сильнее, слабее, еще сильнее. О, здесь не модно.
yeah, this is a new model.
Interesting. How to off? Maybe press. Oh, yes.
So I have to put this one. Yeah. Just in case it activates.
Maybe this, yes.
Once it is turned on during the transportation, When you receive the battery, the flashlight, it may be run off the power.